and Chennai. I have completed my BE Electronics and Communication in Gurukosam Engineering College. And I have passed out in 2022. Later, I have joined JSPIDERS because in previous company, my sister suggested to join JSPIDERS too. So I joined JSPIDERS with the Java full stack developer course. First, I take the course of Java and SQL. Java trained by and SQL trained by graduate sir. First of all, I feel how to get the knowledge in Java and SQL. But the way of teaching handled by Gonzalo is excellent, and the way of teaching handled by graduate sir also excellent. Then I completed SQL, and then later I have joined web technology course. That was handled by Rajkumar sir. The way of teaching also very good in that. He gives some practical scenarios in that, so we are easy to get the concept in that. Later I completed the web technology. I joined Advanced Java. Advanced Java it is trained by Srikanth sir. First of all, he gives the overview of the subject, and we make some practicals to easily grasp the concept in that. Now we have completed all the completed Advanced Java. Now I have joined frameworks class. It is handled by Vikram Kumar sir. It is in the midway stage. So first of all, I thank to all the trainers who are trained, especially Rama sir who give motivation speech and give how to play. So stress, I stress relax most. Finally,